beautiful people. Welcome to another DIY. In today's video, I'm doing a dupe. I saw a mirror on Amazon and I decided I wanted to try it because the price was ridiculous. And I know I had the mirror and I know I had the beads. So I decided I want to try it. So I'm going to give you a glimpse at the mirror. So that's the mirror. This mirror I had a long time, so I believe I picked up from the thrift store because it's telling me $3.99. And of course, from a thrift store, I would have paid 50% off because I always do the 50% off. Okay? I picked up these beads from Big Lot. You guys know that Big Lot going out closing the store, right? So I don't quite remember how much I got it for, but it wasn't full price. I believe it's either 20% that was on the craft or 40%. It wasn't no 50%. They don't gone that low yet. Okay. So I'm gonna spray too, being that the glass look like rose gold. So I have my Krylon Prime File Metallic Rose Gold that I'm gonna use on it. But I'm gonna spray it first and see if I like it. I don't have any other color to go with it though. I definitely don't want it in white. Sure, don't want it in silver. So I'm probably gonna use the rose gold. So I'm gonna spray it, come back, let it dry, and you see what I'm talking about. Alrighty guys, so this is what we have. I have to let it dry for 24 hours because you know it's a crazy glue. And I have to dry for 24 hours. Now with these on top, I'm gonna cover them with some gemstone. Like that. You guys see the gemstone? So I'm gonna cover them in the meantime they're drying so everything can dry together. Yeah, so here are the gemstones. Now I have to let these dry for 24 hours. I can't move this mirror till 24 hours because this mirror is heavy and the beads them. Hey. So I'm using E6000 because I need it permanent. So I'm gonna go right around. And these gemstones, I picked them up at Walmart. So we're gonna go right around. I want to take this time to welcome all my new subscribers. Welcome to the Queen of the Craft Room. My name is Kay Young, as in young forever. I like to say that, as in young forever. And if you're new here, become a part of the Queen of the Craft Room family. So don't forget to subscribe, turn your notification bell on, so each time you know it, you're the first to know. And for my whole subscribers, you guys, you know you are the real ones. Thank you for returning and watching. Alrighty. And if you're liking this video so far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And show me some love. Alrighty, so I'm gonna finish these off camera. And as I said, I'm gonna let it dry for 24 hours. Because I don't want to move them until they're properly dry. Alrighty. Alrighty guys, so this is what we have. This is what we have. Now, because of the edges, I believe I want to put these, you know me, extra. I want to put these around the hedge here. I don't know how they're going to look. But just to cover up the edge. And this bad boy is heavy. So something like this. Like this. It kind of go with the mirror. Yeah, it can work. So I'm gonna cover up the edges. And I'm using the Dollar Tree. I'm sorry. I can tell this bad girl hair is heavy. And she is finished. So a quick look. Sorry. And there she is. So I'm gonna put her on display. Alrighty. Alrighty, as promised, here you go. Okay. So this is my Amazon dupe. Let me know in the comment. I mean, it's more decorate than the Amazon one, for sure. But leave me a comment down the bottom and let me know what you think about this dupe mirror. Alright? And this come to the end of my video. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so each time I upload, you know it, you're the first one to know. And for all my subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Until I see you in my next video, guys. Love you. Ciao.